credit their publicists for letting them do our show. We've had a lot of great guests like Sarah Sherman, Adam Scott, Ride, Ben Stiller, and a lot of other big shots that wouldn't be where they are without us. Listen to Hollywood Handbook on America's #1 podcast network, iHeart. Follow Hollywood Handbook and start listening on the free iHeartRadio app today.
Who says you can never go back? Let's get back to The Rock on 107.3 Planet Radio.
This asshole flew by, cut off a semi. Going 75 miles back there where it was 55. No turn signal. Here goes one of his fucking cabrogeries. Probably gonna fucking speed up. Speed limit's still 55. I'm gonna catch this one too. Fuck you. Car 227. And catch the other car's number. And guaranteed they get off at exit 355 where the substation is. And 55. And he's still in front of me. Partner, 3 cars up. We're now in 45 mile per hour zone. Car 227. $60 miles an hour in a 45 mile construction zone. When I'm not following cops, I never go more than 5 miles an hour over the speed limit. The front car got off a Gulf Air just like I thought, right by the Silt station. So I won't be able to get his number unless I got it visual earlier, but I doubt it. 70 still on the 55. And a 55. Tailgating like a motherfucker. X16885 is the license tag number. Car number 227. Wow. See how close that fucker was? Dash cam I bought, some piece of crap. Pervy, don't ever buy one. PRUVEED, garbage. Turning it today, getting a better one so I don't have to hold like phone in my hand. $80 and a 60. just pushing everyone out of his way. Piece of shit. And I know 5 miles an hour speed limit is still speeding. But if you don't go 5 miles an hour, everyone cuts you off angrily. You can't just do the speed limit. Because then you become the bad driver somehow. It's 12:30 in the afternoon, August 26th. So I'm sure he's late for meeting up with his buddies to get fucking lunch. Used his blinker after it was already over. What a fucking winner. Alright. This is my exit, so I will get off and bid this asshole a good day. Hope he has the day he deserves.